Welcome to my video on the full moon taken on December 4th, 2025 with a small telescope and an iPhone. Okay, this is my setup here. What I had a small telescope is a 70mm objective. It's a Celestron. The focal length is 400 centimeters. So it's not a big telescope, but it does work. And then this is the Alt-as mount, meaning it's not equatorial, it doesn't track, it doesn't have a motor. I adjust the position either up or down, and then rotating about the axis of the telescope here with these two knobs. And then this is another view of the telescope and the camera. Here's the iPhone 15 that I usually take the video with and the still shots. And this is the Celestron NexGo DX kit, the adapter that connects the camera to the eyepiece, which is a 25mm eyepiece. So you've got the effective power here is 400 millimeters divided by 25 millimeters, which gives a power of 16. So there's the knobs for the Alt-as mount again. So this is the video I took with the telescope, and you can see I'm trying to get it in position. I'm adjusting the Alt-as mount, trying to get it aligned properly in the best position right in the center of the field of view. And once I get that in place, which will take a second, I'm going to try to adjust the brightness. And so I click on that and get a good, adjust my focus. There we go, click on that. Now it brings it down. And then I'm trying now to adjust my focus slightly, and that's probably my best picture of the moon. So I was pretty pleased with that. Now here's some of the major features that I observed taking a picture here. This is the Tycho crater, the belly button. Now this has been rotated slightly from the original pictures that you just saw because to align it with a star map, I mean a moon map that I had. And that's the way these maps are done. It's not always obvious where you're looking, so you have to really kind of study it and try to get the major features lined up. But this is the Plato crater, the Sea of Tranquility, where the Apollo 11 astronauts landed, and this is Mare Crisium. So these are some of the major features of the moon. A lot of cratering, a lot of seas, or Mare. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you learned a little bit about taking a picture of the moon with an iPhone and a small camera.